platinum on carbon catalyst powder has been converted into a catalyst ink through an ultrasonic mixing, and the catalyst ink has been formed. The formed catalyst ink has to be coated on membrane directly through a spray gun. Then catalyst coated membrane will be dried through a vacuum oven. Here this vacuum oven is an imported one, being branded. Here the catalyst coated membrane has been dried to an optimized level. Then after drying of this cesium has to be converted into a membrane electrode assembly. The complete MEA structure will be formed after hot pressing. So through hot pressing, we place anode and cathode GDL on cesium, and we will do a hot pressing to an optimized level to form a standard membrane electrode assembly. After MEA formation, that MEA will be integrated into a single fuel cell. Then after single fuel cell assembly, it will be ready for the testing. Now the single cell assembly will be connected to a DC electronic load. This is a Kikuchi brand in Japan, and it is an imported one. And after connecting it, we have to feed hydrogen gases directly from the cylinder, and it is connected to a humidifier and mass flow controller to control the flow. And similarly, oxygen is also connected via the humidifier and mass flow controller, and these gases fed into the single fuel cell. And here gas insulation has been done in this laboratory by Autel Innovations. After connecting fuel cell into DC electronic load, that has to be analyzed, right? This photo is showing the experimental demonstration to the faculty in VIT, and through the control system you can get the polarization curve. I mean current density, fuel cell voltage, and power density. This is a typical curve you can get through this control system, I mean from the DC electronic load. So this is what the basic workflow of the fuel cell laboratory. For the training to the faculties of the VIT, we have planned and executed the complete range of training from electrode to the fuel cells and stacks, gas line installation, gas line operation, safety aspects, electrode fabrication, and MEA fabrication, and its integration and assembly into the single cell, the optimizing the various parameters and the control system operations. The hot pressing manufacturing and its optimization to the required level for the fuel cell MEA. We have done a complete calibration in a hot press. after the fuel cell lab installation and training, as per the request of TIFAC or VIT, we have conducted a one-day faculty development program at TIFAC or VIT. We have trained all the faculties and the research scholars of VIT. It's really an enjoyable moment and a kind interaction with the faculties and other students. It's really a great moment, and staffs and students they enjoyed all the activities and the training done in VIT.